Cause nigga, we budded at the brain cell and blue damn. Niggas don't show they face unless they locs. Blue rods, blue flags, everybody else is fucking hoes. Cut dope.
What up, y'all? My name is Ricky J, and I'm here to show you how to do a Balisong trick. First off, you want to grab the knife in this position. You want to hold it in this position, okay? Flick it to where your safe handle is flying out. Flips over your thumb. Catch it. See? You want to catch it with your middle finger and thumb. Spin it. Flip it over your middle finger. Grab your safe handle with your thumb and your index finger. Swing catch. Now I'll show you the move.
Hit him up with my G like every day, nigga. From the creek to the garden block. Do you know what it feels like? Love it so